I'm really into finance. That's what I do on a full-time basis, trading in the Forex market. But apart from that, my partners and I like looking at new things and new innovation. For today, I want us to look at ChatGPT. What is that? It's optimizing language models for dialogue. Basically, it's an AI language model for dialogue, okay? So I tested it and I did a lot with it. First of all, I asked it very many questions. So for example, is AI human? As an AI language model, I'm not human. However, I have been designed to communicate with humans in a way that is similar to how humans communicate with each other. So I went further and asked it philosophical questions, and it to be a bit deep. Are you philosophical? As a language model, I don't have personal feelings or beliefs. As a human, was our sole purpose to be born, learn, work, reproduce, and die? It is difficult to provide a definite answer, as different people and cultures have different beliefs about the purpose of life. Some people believe that the purpose of life is to find happiness. True, me. Others believe that it is to serve a higher power, and others believe it is to contribute to the greater good of society. So I went and asked some financial questions. Okay? Tell me more about how you manage risk while investing in the financial markets, and it was quite accurate. This actually surprised me. Brought this answer straight out of the blues. Diversification, true. Asset allocation, true. Regular review, you always have to review your investments. Risk management techniques, true. Use stop loss, I always advocate for this, always use a stop loss. And I went further and asked it, and what do you know about the psychology of investing and trading? So I was intrigued. It actually told me emotion. It's common for people to make decisions based on their emotions rather than logic, true. Overconfidence, that happens all the times to all investors. Hard mentality, very true, that's crowd mentality. And loss aversion, very true. As humans, we're always loss averse. We're always trying to run away from losses, okay? So I asked it that, and I went further and asked it, what is the best systematic investment plan or rule-based trading system that I can use? Dollar cost averaging, did that with Bitcoin. Value investing, always doing that with stocks. Trend following, very true. I'm a trend follower. When I'm trading in the Forex market, I'm always trading using the trend following strategy. It is important to note that there's no such thing as an investment with little to no risk. Very true. Okay, this AI is actually better than most consultants. All investments carry some level of risk, and the potential for profits is often directly related to the amount of risk involved. With that being said, okay, talking like a human, with that being said, so it wanted you to understand that first. There are some sectors that may be less risky than others, but are no guarantee in the financial markets. Very true. I asked it, can you be more specific? It is not possible for me to give specific investment recommendations, as every investor's financial situation and goals are unique. Fucking true. It is important to carefully consider your own risk and tolerance, etc. In general, some sectors may be considered less risky, so it's starting to be more specific. Include utilities, consumer staples, and healthcare. Okay. These sectors may be less sensitive to economic downturns and market fluctuations than sectors such as technology and energy. Very true. If you look at the Bloomberg billionaires list for last year, most people who lost out money were the people in consumer as well as technology. Elon Musk himself lost over 200 billion last year. So in the end, I asked it a very important question. Does high risk equal high reward in the financial markets? There's a general relationship between high risk and reward in the financial market, in that investments carry a higher level of risk may offer the potential for higher returns, while investments that carry lower risk may offer potential lower returns. However, it is important to keep in mind, which is very true, that this relationship between risk and reward is not a guarantee. So apart from that, I asked it other questions to write for me code of a complex website. It went ahead and did that. I asked it philosophical questions, random questions about the earth, about the world. I asked it questions about Elon Musk and whether he's a god and whether he'll take us to Mars. Just on a light note, and it gave me very intriguing answers. So you can go around, play around with it and see what it tells you. For more information, visit Financial Hub. And remember, stay woke, stay financially literate.